Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 4. In that we'll see the exercise 8.2. So here Anil sells one transistor for rupees 880 at a gain of 10% and another for 960 at a loss of 4%. And you have to find the overall gain or loss percentage. So first we don't know whether it's a gain or a loss. So now we can write here the SP means the selling price of one transistor. That is 880, and so we have to find the cost price. So what will you do? We know the formula. Selling price is 100 plus profit percentage, because here the profit gain of 10% means that is the profit is of 10%. So you have to use this formula. Selling price is 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into CP. This is the important formula. So you know the selling price is 880. So below this we'll write 880. Here is 100 and the profit is 10%, which is given here, into divided by 100 into CP. So 880 is equal to 110 divided by 100 into CP. So this will get cross multiplied here, 880 into 100, and this will go in the denominator. 110 is CP. So this and this will get cancelled. After simplifying, you get CP is 800. So you will see the selling price of the other transistor. So that is given as 960. So here the loss is given as 4%. So we are going to use this formula. Selling price is 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP. So this is selling price is 960 given. 100 minus the loss is given as 4% divided by 100 into CP. So 960 is, this is 96 by 100 into CP. This will go here. That will be 960 into 100 divided by 96 is equal to CP, which is going to be, CP will be 1000. So now you can see here the CP is 800 and here is 1000. So we can do the total CP, that is 800 plus 1000, that is going to be 1800. So now we'll see the SP, the selling price. Here is given as 880 plus the second one, it is given as 960. So the total selling price is going to be 1840. So from this both, when we compare, we can see the selling price is more, so that will be a profit. So we can say gain is equal to SP minus CP, which is going to be 1840 minus 1800. So the gain is 40. So we want a percentage gain. Can you see here? Overall gain or loss, that is percentage. So we got the gain as 40. So the gain percentage will be gain divided by CP. This is the formula, into 100. So gain is 40. CP is 1800 into 100. So when you simplify that, that is going to be 2 integers, 2 by 9 percentage. Mahesh sells an iron for rupees. This is the question given. So first we'll see the selling price of iron. That is 1232. We have profit is 12%. So we'll use this formula. Selling price is 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into CP. So this is 1232. Profit is given as 12. After solving this will cross multiply. 1232 into 100 divided by 112, that is CP. CP is 1100. So selling price of glass, that is set the same amount, means it is 1232. But here you can see that is a loss is 12%. So selling price is 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP. 1232, the loss is 12% into CP. 88 by 100 into CP. So that will be multiplied by 100 divided by 88, that will be CP, which will be 14. So CP is 1400. So total CP will be 1100 plus this is 1400, which is 2500. Total SP is going to be 1232 plus this 1232, which is 2464. So you can see the cost price is more, so that is a loss. So you are going to use this formula. So that is a loss of 36. So loss percentage is loss divided by CP into 100. Loss is 36. Cost price is given as 2500 into 100. After simplifying this, you get 1.44%. A trader sold two fans at rupees 1980 each. If he gets a profit of 10% on one and a loss of 10% on the other, find his overall gain or loss percentage. Selling price of one fan, that is given as 1980. So selling price, because here there is a profit of 10%. So you are going to use this formula. Here will be 10, rest all the same. 110. So this will get cross multiplied. This will go in the denominator. Cost price is 18. Selling price of other fan, because both is same, loss 10. After this you get cost price as this one. So this is the selling price. So cost price minus this will be the, because that is a loss, because cost price is more. So loss percentage, loss divided by CP into 100, 40 divided by 4000 into 100, that will be 1%. This is the question given. One article selling price is this much, profit 8% and the other at a loss of 4%. So first we'll go for this formula because the profit is here. 8% is the profit. Selling price, we'll put this amount. After solving this will go here, and this will get divided by 108. That will be CP. So CP will be, after simplifying this, 16,000. Other article, the same amount, but there is a loss. So use this formula, loss percentage. 4% is the loss. Rest all same. 96 by 100 into CP. This will go here. This will go in the denominator. So after simplifying, you get cost price 18,000. So total cost price, you have to add both this and this one. So that is going to be 34,000. In total selling price, you have to the selling price for the first and the second one. So that is going to be this amount. So you can say selling price is more. So that is a profit, selling price minus cost price. So the profit is 560. We want a percentage. Profit percentage, you have to use this formula. Profit 560. Cost price 34,000 into 100. So the answer after simplifying is this one. This is the question given. So we'll consider the mixture cost price as X. Profit is given as 10%. So Anita sold it at 10% is the profit, means that was, she's selling it for 110% because the profit is 10% of X to Bina. So 110% of X because the cost price is X. So Bina sold it at, so Anita sold it for 110, but the Bina sold it at a profit of 5%. So Bina sold it at 105% of this one, of Anita. So this step is important. So 105 of 110 of X, that is 2310, that is given. Chanda paid 2310. So this is important. So this, whenever there is a percentage, you have to divide by 100 of means multiplication. Here you have to divide by 100 of multiplication. X is equal to this one. So this is going to be 1.05. This will be 1.010 after simplifying. So X is going to be 2310. This will go on the other side, that will get divided. So when you multiply this, you get this part. This is the same. So here I have simplified without using the calci how to do it. After decimal, there are 4 numbers. So we have to put 4 zeros, and this number is going to be the same. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Numerator stays as it is. So the denominator gets flip over. So that will be 10,000 divided by 11550. After simplifying this, you get this part. So that will be, you have to divide it. So X is going to be 2000. So cost price of mixture is 2000. That is, the cost price is considered as X. So this is the question given. CP of scooter for Rajesh, that is 21. So the selling price is, because there is a loss of 5%, so you have to use this formula. Here you will write 5, rest all the same, and CP 21,000, 210, SP is, this is for Umesh, so this will be 19950 plus this, so that is going to be 22,400. So the SP will be 100 plus P percentage by 100 into CP. So this is going to be A, because the profit is shown as A. CP is 22,400. So 108 by 100 into this. So that is going to be 24192. So Praveen paid, that we can say 24,192. This is the question given. CPR for an article is given as 400. Selling price with that is a profit of 20%. So you will use this formula. Here you will write 20. Rest all the same. Here will be 400 because the CP is given. After solving this part, that will be 120. Simplify, you get 480. So the selling price is 480. And then Brian sells to Karan. What happened here? Amit sells to Brian and Brian sells to Karan. That is a loss of 10%. So SP will be, you will use this formula. 10% is the loss. But the cost price here, you are going to consider this as 480. After simplifying, you get here 432. So we can say therefore Karan bought the article for rupees 432. By this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of other parts. Also, there is one more feature given. You can see hype near the comment section. There are 2 dots. You can slide over that and you can see hype over there. Please click on hype. Thank you.